Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I have a new Coach bag to share with you. So this isn't a proper unboxing because as soon as I received this bag, I unwrapped it and I started using it. I am in this bag already and I've been wearing it for the past 2 days. It's only been 2 days. Today is Friday, it arrived on Wednesday. I immediately started using it on Wednesday. And then yesterday and today I've been using it. And that is this beauty. It is the Coach Swing Zip bag. And this is in the new olive color. This just came out this fall 2025. And olive is my color. If you've been around on this channel, I know you see a lot of green. I actually realized right now my nails are green, my earrings are green, like green is my color. And so yeah, it was inevitable that I would add another green Coach bag to my collection. And this swing zip is I was resisting this honestly because I'd been seeing it so much last year. It went very, very viral. And I was like, oh, do I like this bag because I see it everywhere or do I honestly actually like this bag in the silhouette? Spoiler, I think I really just love this bag in the silhouette. So if you aren't familiar with Coach, they do a lot of reissues of their vintage styles or their older styles in the glove tan leather. And this is one of them. So this one they're calling the Swing Zip. It's from 1998, and this says limited re-edition. And the re-editions come with two little hang tags. So it has the re-edition one, and then it also has the classic Coach, which is stamped on both sides with the logo. And this style is just a shoulder bag style. It doesn't have like additional straps or anything like that, like a lot of the Coach bags I get, which was one of the reasons why I was a little deterred. It was like, oh, it's not gonna be as versatile. But I have the Coach Curve Zip bag and I love that, and that's not versatile at all. You wear it one way and that's it. So this is similar. I have seen some people hack it by like connecting a chain strap to these buckles and taking the straps off completely, which you can do. I don't really see myself wearing it that way, but I just love how classic and simple it looks. And I'm really loving shoulder bags these days, especially ones that are easy to get on and off. And then I'm really, really loving this like East-West style. I think it's just very 90s. It's very chic, very classic. And yeah, so you already know I love this bag. Hopefully I'll keep this pretty quick and you can just ask some questions. I did want to show you, since I do have it all packaged up already or all filled, I'll just show you what fits. So it has one zipper, it's not a two-way zipper, and it goes all the way across the bag. And then inside I have her packed to the brim and she really carries quite a bit. It's fully leather lined and I like that it has the matching olive green leather inside. I really think that that's quite beautiful. Actually, and if you look at the bottom too, you'll see she also has feet, which I think is really cute. I love a bag with feet, especially in this style. And then here it says glove tan leather. This is genuine glove tan leather. So really liking just all the little details, and I love how the brass looks with the olive green in particular. I think it looks just very pretty, very autumnal, but I can see myself wearing this through the spring. Like I wear olive green all year round, so I'll be wearing it constantly. So inside I have a lot in here. The first thing that I'll pull out is my little Vera Bradley wallet. It's a smaller, more compact wallet. I also have a small notebook that fits in there. I also think my Kindle will fit in there if I want to carry that. I have my phone, and then I have some sunglasses. I have my key pouch, which if you've seen other bag videos, you've seen many times. I have a hair clip. I have my AirPods. I have a lippy. I'm getting close, don't worry. That's my Merit lip stain or my Merit lip oil. I have some hand sanitizer, and I think I might have a hair tie in the inner pocket. And that's everything. So it's a lot that you can fit in there. On the inside of the bag, you'll see that it's fully leather lined, as I mentioned. On one side, there's the zip compartment, a zip pocket, and it has the classic Coach like little chain with the circle on it, which I love from all of the vintage bags. It's like just very nostalgic, that little detail. And then on the other side, there's a card slot. I don't really know what I'll use for that right now. Oh, I stuck the tag in there apparently when I unboxed it. But yeah, that's about it. And it's just a little I wouldn't say it's a big open compartment. It's a open compartment. This is like more of a medium-sized bag, a little bit more compact. You have to be smart about how you pack it if you want to fill it up, but it's great for my everyday essentials plus a little more. Like my bare minimum is just my phone, my wallet, my keys, and maybe like a couple hair ties and a lip product. But so if I can fit things like a notebook and headphones, that's more of a medium-sized bag for me. And if you are a mom or parent, I never really carry my son's stuff in my bags with me. I like to have like a separate bag, a tote bag. He's a toddler now, so he doesn't need nearly as much as he used to when he was little. So my bag is just for me. But if you wanted to have a bag where you're carrying your kids like snacks and things, I don't think this is the bag for you. Like, I don't think I can fit anything else in here really, unless I really pared down what I was carrying for myself. So I'm just packaging her back up. I do find that, you know, the Coach Originals line or the reissues, they do come pretty stiff. And one of the things I think most of us who love the vintage bags really love is that the leather has softened and like become very supple over time. And one thing that I'm gonna start doing is just conditioning my bags a little bit more frequently. I'm a little nervous to condition this one right out the box because it is olive green, and when you condition them, you are adding a little bit of like oils and it will darken the color a little bit over time. So I love this color so much that I really don't really want to change the color, but I am gonna do a little test patch probably down here where it's not really visible, see how the conditioner reacts on this leather and then condition it. And if you'd like to see that video, I think I've asked before, maybe in my community posts, if you're interested in seeing how I care for my leather bags, let me know and I can do that for you. Yeah, anyway, that is it for the Coach Swing Zip. I'll show you what it looks like on. I hope you found this video useful, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if there are any fall bags from Coach or other brands that you're eyeing. Again, I can't stop looking at bags, love looking at bags, so always curious to see what other people are shopping for. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.